recording?
Yes.
Hi. This is my longest print. It's taking 4 hours, but we're halfway finished. This print took 40 minutes. This print took 40 minutes. Technically, this took an hour.
What does that middle one do?
This one?
Uh-huh.
It's a fidget. This didn't come apart, but it's a fidget.
Cool.
And this is my first sink I made. It's a test print sink. The first print everyone makes, most people make. And that's everything I made so far. And we also made an octopus, but the octopus broke.
So this has an hour and
59 minutes.
59 minutes to go.